Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Just so, if we do not have the transmission for self-luminous perfection, we will be completely lost from the path of freedom. In the dominion where everything is perfect, there is no contrivance. The true nature of our minds is an awareness that settles into itself. As for the true nature of the bodhicitta, it is clear in its specific quality, while it has no real basis. Our own mind is the reality of all the Buddhas. The secret is the transmission of our own mind. As for the transmission of perfection, in which our awareness settles into itself, we understand it in a time that is inconceivable. As for the characteristics of a bad student, he has neither faith nor samaya. He is attached to material things. He thinks that he is great. His intellect is small. He engages in the news. He does not take heed to reverence or respect. He works for the sake of profit and fame. He does not bother to have a respectful attitude. He is proud. His fields of patience, his fields of practice are his arrogance and his haughtiness. He works to broadcast the secrets. He concerns himself with practices for which he has no resolve. He has pride about his reverted lusts and hatreds. If we throw away our secrets on him, we cut the seal of our secret obligations and set ourselves up for the Vajra hell. How could we remain within the family of the free? This will come to maturation in this lifetime. A host of Vajra Dakinis who have taken vows will gather, and it will come down to your life. A student whose true nature is a jeweled mind, who has faith and samaya, who reveres the intent of the Great Perfection, and who strives for things that will open up his knowledge, will get the true meaning of the instructions without sparing his body or his life. What need we say about his possessions and entertainments? He will have the attitude of a holy Vajra, and just as the foundation of the great ocean is gold, he will hold on with a mind that is unchanging and stable.